Hello everyone, welcome back to AfroLivity. So I've just been going through some of the files on my computer and I realised I've got a couple of clips of old recipes I haven't actually edited and uploaded yet. So here's the first of them. It's an oats recipe. Basically, I've taken the standard porridge / oats recipe and I've added a little tweak with some apples and with some berries and some ground flax and chia seeds just to make it a little bit more exciting and to give you another reason to eat porridge, especially if you're bored with the standard way of preparing it. So watch it and I hope you enjoy it. One love, bless up.